Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Joanne Adolfo, 23 years old, married with one child. I graduated with midwifery.
Good day to you, Miss Joanne. How are you?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so Miss Joanne, what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir, Madam, I am loyal, honest, helpful, and most of all, I'm hardworking.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, Madam, I will avoid homesickness by focusing on my work.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
Sir, Madam, the proper way of taking care of children is giving them their vitamins at the right time, bath them, and love and respect them as my own child.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I sincerely say sorry and promise to not do it again.
Okay, so Miss Joanne, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, I really need this job for the future of my family, and I promise that I will finish this 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Joanne, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.